So we're back in Aral train station to continue our journey on. We've been in Aral for a couple of days, checking out the harbour and where the Aral Sea used to be. It's gone from there now, it's completely disappeared, but it was a really interesting place to visit. So this is the train station. Behind me is the mosaic about the 1921 Russian famine, when Lenin asked the people of Aral to feed the Russian people with fish. And as you come round, you will be able to see the station cat, which is would like some fish as well, please. Aralsk, and here comes the train that's going to take us to Turkestan. Jumping on this one. And in 14 hours we'll be in Turkestan. So I've had a good night's sleep, had some breakfast. Just come back to the samovar to wash up my dishes. Looking out the window now, it's steppe, it's turned into desert, it's very dry out there. And it's kind of carriage we're in. Quite crowded, this one. Our cozy compartment. So this is the final leg of our Kazakhstan railway journey. It is from Aralsk to Turkestan, which is a 14-hour train ride. We left just after midnight and we're going to get there at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. The ticket costs 2,300 tenge, which is just under £5 or just over $6 US. Not bad for a night's accommodation, and a great scenic journey of the steppe on the way down to Turkestan. Plenty of trading activity going on at this railway station stop. Fruit and vegetables for sale, fish for sale. Everyone's got off the train and going around buying what they need. The toilet for a freshen up. This one's got a couple of mirrors, which is nice. Yeah, an open window. It's always good. You can stand at the toilet, enjoy the scenery. So we've made it to Turkestan. We just got here. We're a little bit late, aren't we?
18 minutes late.
18 minutes late. That's not too bad. Train's got in. It's really hot compared to Astana, but we're really pleased to be here. We're looking forward to checking out Turkestan.
It was the last train journey in Kazakhstan.
Yeah, it was a great experience all in all. Had a good few nights sleep and
1 night's sleep.
in total 4.
Okay.
Yeah, in total 4 nights sleep. Yeah, but they're really enjoyable.